Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Sign in as an administrator and verify your monitor can run at low brightness. Once ready, open Power Options and set the display to never turn off and the computer to never sleep. Make sure the screensaver is set to none. Next, create a simple HTML file as a persistent display. This is how you simulate an always-on display because Windows 7 has no native AOD feature. Now build the page. Open a text editor and paste minimal HTML/CSS/JS showing a large digital clock on a black background. Save as clock. HTML. Once done, open it in a browser and press F11 for full screen, or launch Chrome with kiosk path //clock. HTML for true kiosk mode. Make sure the browser window is set to topmost if possible. Finally, use Task Scheduler to start the browser at logon, so the page appears automatically after reboot. Finish by lowering monitor brightness, and if you have an LCD, enable slight pixel shifting in the page or use a screensaver fallback to reduce burn-in risk. OLED may suffer if static for long periods. If the page doesn't appear, confirm Task Scheduler entry, browser path, and that PowerCUG settings aren't overriding display behavior. If the clock freezes, reload the page or restart the browser. If the monitor still sleeps, run PowerCUG/.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.